Look at all the birds right here.
So, get in here.
Now guys, we got some snow. Pretty crazy. We got some thunder coming in here and there. We're on the north side of Big Bear right now. Well, we tried to go to the south side, which is Mill Creek, and it was closed for the season due to the fires until September 30th, 2025. So we came to the north side here. It's a new spot to us. Absolutely beautiful. Nice spot, secluded. Comes with a fire ring and a picnic table. Pretty flat spot for the truck as well. In here with the new build out. Looking good. Kind of goes talking to the birds over here. So for our bedding, guys, we use this. Pretty soft. I mean, we got a Hex sheet. We've got a 2-inch pad and an 1.5 inch pad. Pretty comfortable. So we put this layer down. We got a couple pillows, and we've got the Hex comforter here. This is good for up to about 40 degrees, but we have the diesel heater, so it stays nice and warm in here. We've been in minus, like probably 20 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's definitely been good enough with the diesel heater as well. These pillows are pretty legit too as well. I like these. They fold up pretty tight. Don't know who makes them. I can't remember. So what we do, guys, is we just make our bed, get all the sheets up there to get everything out of the way, and we put this up. So check this out, guys. I got this new app. It's for the system for my lighting. So I did all this lighting myself. Little metal diffusers in there. Got them wrapping around there. Got one up there. I also have those up top that wrap all around 360. But this is pretty cool right here. With this little system here, you can go in and increase the brightness, decrease the brightness if you just, you want it a little bit dimmed. If you want your power off, you can do it from your app, power on. So I'm absolutely loving this. This is super, super sick. I'm pumped on it. It's still coming down super, super good here. Today is May 4th. We're in Big Bear, north side of the lake, here at this yellow post site. Don't know what number this is at the moment. Didn't see it, but it's beautiful out here. Got the tent all set up. Look at the size of these snowflakes.
It's huge, how they changed to super big.
Huge.
Wow.
I've never seen snowflakes this big.
It's been a while seeing like this.
Oh my gosh. Absolutely beautiful, huh? It's definitely a wet snow, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Go see if we can get some wood going. That's not too damn wet. I got a little bit of wood that I brought from home. Pretty dry, so hopefully we'll start with that and then be able to put the other wood around it and see if we can dry it a little bit. Diesel heater's pumping. Getting nice and warm in here. All right, let's go see if we can find something. Beautiful. Drying some wood out. Guys, we're loving this scene right now. We got the diesel heater cranking, nice and warm in here, snowing outside. We can comfortably do the dishes, wash our face, brush our teeth without being cold. Love it. So guys, we just made it to the Pacific Crest Trail. Beautiful day today. Last night at camp, as you guys are gonna see, we got quite a bit of snow. Rained, turned into rain super early. Rained all night hard. Oh wow, look at the view. A deer, straight ahead. Come on. I saw it going up to the right. So guys, that's Big Bear Lake down there. This is where the trail splits. You can take Pacific Crest Trail, which is what we're gonna take, or you can take Cougar Crest Trail. So guys, while we're sitting around here, I wanted to give you guys a quick walk through the camper. So here we got a little bit of storage here, hand soap. I'm gonna eventually have a molly panel back here, so I can put a bunch of bags on here. But there's a nice ample amount of space back there. So when you shut it, you got plenty of room. As we come around to the front, got the jet boil. Been using this to charge my Apple Watch. This cubby here, water tank, diesel heater. We usually keep our shoes in here at night, and I keep this door open. This is kind of like a dry box for the shoes or whatever's wet. Works really well. And then this is obviously shut at night. All the heat comes out of here and comes up. Last night it was like 75 degrees, probably 32 I think last night it was, 30, 32. So yeah, it worked great. This guy over here, I've got my Step 22 mini Stingray flat box, I think it's called. I've got all my propane, got my jet boil here. Can access everything from the top too as well. But it's nice, I can access everything I need. We do a lot of our cooking on the tailgate here, so it's been working out really nice. This one here as well, this is more kitchen stuff. Got all the supplies. I can pull this bag out. There's a Step 22. And as we come in, we've got all of our food, kind of pantry stuff, some drinks. This side, we got our solar panel, 100 watt. Our electrical over here. And just got some hammocks. Buddy heater, just in case. This one over here, we got our Bluetti Elite V2, I think 200. So working pretty good. Ran the lights, diesel heater, pretty much all night. I'm still at 77%, haven't charged or anything yet, so it's been working really good. I usually get like 3 days out of it. And obviously we've got the sink top. This has been a game changer for us. Absolutely love it. And then we got our Step 22 bag here with all of our other kitchen supplies, miscellaneous. Got some honey, some towels. I really like these sliding doors too. You don't have big doors that swing open and be in your way. I mean, we've got about 2 feet in the middle. It's not bad, but it's nice to have extra room. Then we've got a 5-gallon tank underneath here, which stays nice and warm too as well from the diesel heater. So in the morning, the water's warm. So I really like having this warm. This battery shares the same space too as well. So this stays warm, and then everything dries out real nice. Really digging it. I got the new light on top here. I wired up. That's a 3000K. And then we've got all the rest of the lights in the camper that I have up here. Wrap 360. All these other lights are 27K, a little bit warmer. And if we step out, this one here, I actually changed that. It was 27K. I went to 3K just because it is a little bit brighter. So 3K there to lighten up the room, and then the rest is nice and amber. All these are dimmable. We've got this switch here for the top light, which is dimmable. So you can turn it down. So I dim it there, and then it remembers the setting too as well, which is nice. So if I turn it on, it's off, and I turn it on, it's still dim. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back to the original setting. And all these lights too, I can control in the app that I have hooked up to as well. Got this little control box. This is going to be moved, I believe. I want to make a custom box, if not anything, just to cover all that wiring there. I have a diesel heater control. And then I got these light switches. This one's for the top lights. This one's for the lower lights. And this switch here is for the bed light. And then this is going to be the water pump switch. So yeah, everything's working out really well. Loving it. Makes camping a lot more enjoyable, that's for sure. When you can just hop in here, it's super warm. It's getting chilly yesterday. We hop in here like, wow, it feels like home. And the Beyond 270 awning here has been amazing. I mean, I haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. I mean, I've had a lot of snow, a lot of weight, a lot of rain in here. No issues. The Beyond camper, really, really loving it. Love the looks of it. Super, super slim. It just looks great on the truck, I think. Comes insulated as well. And these lights as well underneath the awning. These I've got ran underneath the benches through that bulkhead. I have the Hex-Ply, it runs behind that. So this is where all the wiring runs to the battery bank over there. So I have it plugged in the battery bank. So all you do is come around here and you can turn on all your lights here. They've got 3 different spectrums. I think it's a cool white, natural white, and a warm light. Alright guys, Kaneko said she wanted a workout, so she opted to carry the wood up the hill. Oof. It's a bad chick. You can do a squat now? How about a lunge? Beautiful day today, sun's out. Slept great last night. If you guys have any questions or thoughts on the build, I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned for my DIY interior camper build video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Much love.